In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn on conversation intelligence in HubSpot step by step. If you're using HubSpot for sales or customer support calls, enabling conversation intelligence allows you to automatically transcribe, analyze, and gain insights from your calls, helping you coach your team, track keywords, and improve performance. The best part is that it only takes a couple of minutes to set up. So let's walk through the entire process together. And if you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple HubSpot tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your main dashboard, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon. That's your settings icon. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all your account-level configurations and tools are managed. After clicking the settings icon, you'll be taken to the main settings panel. From here, we need to navigate to your calling setup options. In the left-hand sidebar, scroll until you find the Tools section. Under Tools, click on Call Setup. Once you're inside Call Setup, look for the tab labeled Call Configurations and select it. This area controls how your calling system behaves inside HubSpot. Now that you're in the Call Configurations tab, scroll down the page slowly. Keep scrolling until you see the section labeled Transcription and Analysis. This is the setting that controls conversation intelligence. HubSpot uses this feature to automatically transcribe recorded calls and analyze them for insights like talk time, keywords, and coaching opportunities. When you find Transcription and Analysis, you'll see an option to enable it. Simply toggle the switch on to activate it. Once enabled, HubSpot will begin transcribing and analyzing eligible calls moving forward. Depending on your subscription level, you may see additional options related to recording permissions or data compliance. Make sure your call recording settings are properly configured, especially if you operate in regions with consent requirements. After enabling transcription and analysis, your conversation intelligence feature is officially turned on. From this point forward, any recorded calls that meet the requirements will automatically be transcribed. You'll be able to access transcripts directly within contact records, deal records, or the call review section. Managers can also use this data for coaching and performance tracking. It's important to remember that conversation intelligence typically works with recorded calls, so ensure your calling integration or HubSpot calling tool has recording enabled. If calls are not being recorded, they won't be transcribed or analyzed. And that's it. That's how you turn on conversation intelligence in HubSpot. As you can see, it's a quick setup process. Go to Settings, navigate to Tools, select Call Setup, open the Call Configurations tab, scroll to Transcription and Analysis, and enable it. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future HubSpot tutorials. I regularly post simple, step-by-step guides to help you get the most out of your software. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.